Here we are. Me and the hagster over here.
What's up?
Just coming in, you know, maybe not the best welding in the world. I don't know if you've ever welded on a car, but it's really fucking hard to clean all those little crevices perfectly. And anyway, I'm not a professional, but
Excuses.
we get her done. It almost always sticks.
Don't think the hook's gonna fly open from this.
Maybe I'd let somebody else weld my roll cage or get an actual MIG welder. Flux core tends to look ugly, but does the trick almost all the time. So, and it's good for almost any type of welding you could do. You don't need anything extra. I like it. But yeah, if anybody had any pointers on welding in there other than just, you know,
Acid dipping? We're not acid dipping the car.
prep in general takes an exceptional amount of time, and then you still can't get the most of the guck out from in between the joints there. So anyway, we welded this bar in too. That's in there pretty fiercely. Welded all around. Welded plates on top. We're gonna clean all this and paint all this, and then in preparation of putting our turbo engine in there.
1.8T. So thanks for watching, and catch you guys next time. Peace out.